In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Kia Sorento key fob. If you clicked on this video, you might have seen in the thumbnail a device that looks slightly different than this. You might have one that has just two buttons, maybe it has the little light up on the top here. They're all incredibly similar. This is the one I have. The process is the same, the battery is the same, so just follow along. It's really easy to do. You're just going to take a flathead screwdriver, come up to the little indentation in the top here. Going to insert that in, twist, pull this open with your fingers. Now you can set this back part to the side, and we're going to use the flathead screwdriver to push on this battery. Just be gentle and push it out until you can remove it with your fingers. Now take a brand new 2032 battery, make sure this positive side goes face up and slide it into place like that. And you're just going to click this back part right back into place, and you are finished and ready to go. So I hope that video helped you out. If it did, let us know down in the comment section, or you can let us know by giving us a like. And if you ever have problems with any of your key fobs for any maker model, you can check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.